what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We have a special one today. Our XG deep dive has officially begun. You guys recommended me a bunch of stuff to get into, from some about ciphers and tapes, but today we're gonna do another rap track. You guys said it was kind of has that same rap vibe as Woke Up. It's called Howling. I got the music video and the choreography video up. I'm still getting the names down though. I'm getting used to like Kokona and Harvey, but there's 7 members, so I still got the member profiles pulled up, and I'm guessing this is from another music video, this porcelain doll look. But of course, Sojourn, Chisa, Hinata, Harvey. I remember Harvey because Harvey was like surf on him in the music video. Juria, Maya, and then of course Kokona with the iconic head shave scene. Definitely shocked me. But yo, man, the choreography in Woke Up, the visuals, definitely tough. So I got high hopes for this one, man. So without further ado, let's get right into this XG Howling. It's got 24 million views. Hey man, let me stop talking. Let's go. Whoa, is that a QR code? Is that real? That's a real QR code. Where's that go? Let me see. Maybe it's like their website? Or is that just... I'm not getting anything. I guess not. Maybe not. Captions on.
First we rockin', that's how we roll. Block is hot cause X flip that dome. Tough as diamonds, no sticks and stones. That's connected like tic-tac-toe. Lights go out and my pack just grow. Opposition, my primo foes. Game of hunger, I'll bring that smoke. You don't want no smoke. Thanks out, attack on 3.
The visuals already popping, dude. Whoever the director is, insane. It's starting off with like a... kind of with the mask on. It kind of reminds me of Squid Games a little bit. I don't know why that's where my mind is going, but let me back it up because I'm feeling the pocket now. We're gonna let this thing rock. It looks like these bots are getting controlled by this dude right here. Starting off with a bass, hi-hat.
First we rockin', that's how we roll. Block is hot cause X flip that dome. Tough as diamonds, no sticks and stones. That's connected like tic-tac-toe. Lights go out and my pack just grow. Opposition, my primo foes. Game of hunger, I'll bring that smoke. You don't want no smoke.
Hey.
Thanks out, attack on 3, that's a man down. I've been throwing these balls like a handout. Too many captain, I be losing head count. Sit a red dot. I like to cook so I humble my dinner. My appetite only get bigger and bigger.
Hey.
If I too wolf, then it must be a thriller. Woke up in blood, so I must be a killer. No way out when it fades out. Can hide in the dark. Cause when the moonlight on the full rise is going down. Nothing can stop her and dangerous. So don't play with us, could be dangerous. So run if it
Okay.
the sound. Cause that's how we howl.
Dang, dude. This is what I'm saying. The frames, and they got this. They got this like wolf thing going on. This wolf pack thing. I believe the fandom's like called the Alphas or the Alpha Pack or something. That's a pretty cool name for the fandom, the Alphas. Bro, look at the visual, bro. I think I mentioned this in the last one. Like they had like this Hindu god, but in the choreography video, this is like definitely up that alley. But I believe it was Jurin in that frame. This is Jurin, I believe, who was doing the dancing, the tick thing in the last one.
Just grow. Opposition, my
I'm not messing with her. Heavy.
Bring that smoke. You don't want no smoke. Thanks out, attack on 3, that's a man down. I've been throwing these balls like a handout. Too many captain, I be losing head count. Sit a red dot. I like to cook so I humble my dinner. My appetite only get bigger and bigger. If I too wolf, then it must be a thriller. Woke up in blood, so I must be a killer. No way out when it fades out. Can hide in the dark. Cause when the moonlight on the full rise is going down. Nothing can stop her and dangerous. So don't play with us, could be dangerous. So run if it the sound.
This frame is crazy. Dang. Ooh. That's Kokona on the chorus? Or no? With the Shenron in the sky?
Moonwalk walk on a rooftop like a roof. I move like that geograph with a zoom shot. Hoorah, huddle up, bring in the whole squad. These places not for you to reenact. First down and you know how we adapt. Touchdown and you know how we impact. Caught the throw, got the goal, rewind the video.
And they got superpowers. This one's a telekinetic, bruh. Or a Magneto type. They look like they're or she looks like she's like a force type of power.
First down and you know how we adapt. Touchdown and you know how we impact. Caught the throw, got the goal, rewind the video.
That's Harvey, I think.
You unleash the beast. Call it Wolfgang cause we back to feast. Call it first hand, a new type of breed. Never sees, I got mouths to feed. Listen to hear the howling. Sound of a couple thousand hours. Now the fear surrounded. I move with silence. Group like a group of wilders. No choice but to choose the violence.
Dang. Kokona looking like a character from Bleach or like a Kimimaru. Looking mad tough. Look at that. The bones. Sheesh.
Hear the howling, sound of a couple thousand hours. Now the fear surrounded. I move with silence. Group like a group of wilders. No choice but to choose the violence.
Group like a group of wilders.
It's close to midnight and the night skies come hunting down. But they can't stop or endanger us.
Whoever's doing the chorus.
Could be dangerous. So run if you hear the sound.
Nice.
That's how we howl. That's how we howling, growling, wildin'. That's how we howling, growling.
Nah, I know choreography videos tough. Is that Palutina? What is that? Bro, that's Palutina, bro. No way. Bruh. That's Palutina, bro. That's Palutina, dude. It has to be. Has to be. But maybe I'm crazy. Y'all let me know if I'm crazy. Dude, that's a great shot, bro. And that's all of them, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, dude. Super tough. Back it up a little bit. Chorus about to go crazy. Oh yeah. Chorus expansion jutsu. Oh, they found him. And howling at the moon. Sure, then take over the planet, put some growth in it. Okay. Nah, that was a good music video. I like how they had their own costume. It seems like that's a common theme, especially in the last one. They all had like their own costume. This one was like they had superpowers a bit. Yeah, like a mermaid costume, a forest costume. But this shot right here, though, let me go. I think it's Jurin. I believe this is Jurin. You guys correct me if I'm wrong. I might be wrong. First off, this shot, insane. This is the Palutina, I believe. And then this look, they all look like goddesses, right? I'm pretty sure that's what they're kind of going for. This one right here. This might be the thumbnail, ladies and gentlemen. It might be the thumbnail. This one is crazy. And like so far they keep having like the wolf costumes. So I guess that's their thing, the wolf costume. It definitely sounds like a more feminine kind of choreography they're gonna be doing for like, especially for at least the chorus. So dude, look how Kokona, bro. Kokona looks crazy here. Dude, what? Remember when Naruto goes Bijou mode and the bones start to appear outside of his body? Goodness. All right, man. Let's check out the choreography. Well, actually, let's see the first comment. Let's see. The top comment says, "As a black person, I'm tired of people ignoring this group because they want to be black. Actually, they have the craziest flows, vocals, and creative direction. These girls are way more talented than half of the groups that these people stand with members who have been caught saying the blah blah. Anyways, I just need these girls to be more famous. I've been standing since Mascara, and they just get better every comeback and say. So far, they look hype, man. They look hype. Definitely have the talent. I kind of want to check out, an album or something, but they have so many music videos. I feel like I should do the music videos that have choreographies. But let's get into the choreography video, because when I watched that Woke Up choreography, bro, they did their thing. It looked like I was watching a dance crew, an international dance crew that does competitions for a living or something, bro. So let's get right into this, man, the choreography video. Just look at the scenery.
First we rockin', that's how we roll. Rock is hot cause X flip that dome. Tough as diamonds, no sticks and stones. That's connected like tic-tac-toe. Lights go out and my pack just grow. Opposition, my prey, my foes. Game of hunger, bring that smoke. You don't want no smoke. Thanks out, attack on 3, that's a man down. I've been throwing these bars like a handout. Too many capping, I be losing head count. See the red dot.
Said too much head capping, I be losing head count. See the red dot. She be shooting them. She shoots them. She shooters. She got catching bodies.
I've been throwing these bars like a handout. Too many capping, I be losing head count. See the red dot. I like to cook, so I hump on my dinner. My appetite only get bigger and bigger.
Oh, you see the bounce, the dinner, my dinner. Yes, I mess with that.
I've been throwing these bars like a handout. Too many capping, I be losing head count. See the red dot. I like to cook, so I hump on my dinner. My appetite only get bigger and bigger. Whoa. If I too wolf, then it must be a thriller. Woke up in blood, so I must be a killer. Way out when it fades out, can hide in the dark. That's when the moonlight on the full rise is going down. Nothing can stop her and dangerous, so don't play with us, could be dangerous. So run if you hear the sound, cause that's how we howl.
Hey, get smooth.
Moonwalk on a rooftop like a roof. I move like Nat Geograph with a zoom shot. Move around, huddle up,
I believe that's Jordan. Hey, I'm messing with Jordan, bro. Jordan is nasty, dude. Look at her pop it. Look at her do her pop real quick. Rolls out. Roll it in. Hey.
Moonwalk on a rooftop like a roof. I move like Nat Geograph with a zoom shot. Move around, huddle up, bring in the whole squad. These places not for you to reenact. First down and you know how we adapt. Touchdown and you know how we impact. Caught the throw, got the goal. Rewind the video, do it when you gotta run it back. You
really gotta run it back.
Call it Wolfgang cause we back to beast. Call it first 10, a new type of breed. Never sees, I got mouths to feed. Listen to hear the howling. Sound of a couple thousand albums. Now to feel surrounded. I'm moving silence. Group like a group of wild. There's no choice but to choose the ballers.
I like how Kokona raps, man. Kokona's when Kokona raps, it kind of sounds like ruthless. I like that talk, dude. I like that talk. Hear the way Kokona's flowing here, bro.
The breed never sees, I got mouths to feed. Listen to hear the howling. Sound of a couple thousand albums. Now to feel surrounded. I'm moving silence. Group like a group of wild. There's no choice but to choose the ballers.
It's a good flow.
It's close to midnight and the night skies come hunting down. But they can't stop or dangerous. If you anger us, could be dangerous. So run if you hear the sound. Cause that's how we howl.
Yeah.
That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. That's how we howlin', growlin', wildin'. Where are you now? Welcome to the world.
Yeah,
Where the
dude.
strongest won't survive. Too late to run away, you better kneel and pray. We're howling in the dark.
So
That's how we howlin', growlin'.
that Jordan in the middle too. is the ending of the first video too. This last pose, I think. And then howling at the full moon. That's tough. Nah, yeah. Choreography video is nasty. Dark and airy. Did this come out like in October or something? November 27th, a little past Halloween. But so all of this was off of their second mini album, Awe. Okay. This video has almost 2 million views. How many international fans are supporting XG here? Shoot, I'll give it a like, man. I'll give that a like. So XG just elevated the bar for a choreography video. This doesn't have to be, but a lot of care and thought has been put into a choreo video. They always strive for that little extra, and it shows their respect for the craft. Facts, man. The setup, both videos I've seen so far, so Woke Up in this, literally the costumes, the scenery, it seems very like extraordinary. Like they definitely went the extra mile for this. The set, you know, you had the moon in the background. Look at the fog machines. It looks like it's like kind of projectors. Look at the background dancers. You got the blowing snow. Come on, man. This costume kind of reminds me of what's that movie? Was it Princess Mononoke? I think by Hayao Miyazaki. Like mainly because of the markings on the face. I'm guessing this is what they're going for, which would make sense because I mean look at that giant wolf next to her, right? And the costume, definitely. This definitely has to be kind of inspired by that. Fire, looks fire though. Definitely fresh, dude. But yeah, man. Just I like where the art direction is going. Whoever directed the choreography, main choreographer, whoever directed the music video, very tough, man. And then just, dude, look at it. This is tough, bro. Look at this.
First down and you know how we adapt. Touchdown and you know how we impact. Caught the throw, got the goal, rewind the video.
And I love the superpower thing going on too, man. But yeah, dude, definitely messed with these two. I'm liking listening to it twice, you know, through the choreography. It kind of lets me be able to catch the bars a little bit better and just see the dynamics of this group better, man. Look at this comment right here. The rapper line being warriors while the vocal line are goddesses. Oh, I didn't even notice that. I did not notice that. Oh, right. I didn't notice that. The other comment says the Princess Mononoke reference. Okay, so it is a reference. Yeah, dude, this is tough, man. So my homeboy, this is his favorite group, he said I should do the Cypher. I guess it's like the tape 2, I believe. If that should be my next one, you guys let me know. Recommend me more tracks from them to do. Music videos, choreography videos. I'll definitely check it out. But yeah, man, we might have to start getting into some albums, some group deep dives. Recommend me like a good deep dive that will like go in depth on the members. That way I'll be able to get more familiar. I'll definitely check it out, man. But yeah, you guys made it this far to the video, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Put in the comments if you want to see me react to anything else. Ring the notification bell so you know when I post next. Thank you guys for joining me, and I'll catch you guys on the next one, Lord willing. God bless y'all. Peace.